Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add company information to the Invoice2go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. Then click on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the company section and click on company info. Here you should tap on details at the top, and then you should type in the business name. Then the address should be added, as well as the phone number, email address, and the link to the website. You can add additional information to this blank box, so type it in, and then you can also indicate the number of employees. If you are done with it, tap on the preview button at the top of the screen, and here you will be able to find it. So you can find the reviews here at this section, but first you need to allow the reviews, so tap on this button next to it. And if you want to request reviews, tap on the request review button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.